Welcome to the wonderful city of Las Palmas in the beautiful island of Gran Canary, Spain. My name is Hanbyo from South Korea and I serve as second officer on board Logos Hope. This is Logos' third visit to the port of Las Palmas and a change of region as she made the 6-day journey from Liberia, West Africa to Europe for a time of annual maintenance. Before the dry dock time started, the crew was honored to host the president of Canary Islands, Angel Victor Torres, as he officially opened Logos' book fair in Las Palmas, where over 6,000 visitors were welcomed during the following days. Onboard events were also well received, including the popular Meet the World performance, where audience enjoyed cultural experiences firsthand from the crew members' home countries.
I like every part of it, and I like the African dance the most. I also like the parts where two guys were called out to eat the noodles, and the prize is the chocolate, because if I had known it was chocolate, I would have gone.
At sunrise on Easter Sunday, crew gathered on the top deck of Logos Hope to celebrate together. Soon, it was time for Logos Hope annual maintenance in Queen Drydock, but this year proved to be special as crews watched the ship lifted out of the water using synchro lift system, one of the few of its kind in the world. During this time, many repair jobs which cannot take place while the ship is in operation were completed before the technical inspections took place.
For the start of this dry dock, we had about 500 different jobs. One of the major ones was painting the whole ship. So the shipyard blasted all the old paint off and then they painted all the underneath the ship and all the sides of the ship, all the white paint. So the ship is looking really nice now. Crew on board have done a great job and happy that it's all been done safely and there's been no major injuries either. So yeah, very thankful.
With certificates now reissued, we're grateful that Logos Hope is able to continue sailing for yet another year. 6 further teams were able to spend this time in different onshore locations across Gran Canaria. Partnering with like-minded organizations and local churches, crew members help in the startup of youth work and running different events.
They are great people and we have a great time. We smile every time, we play every time. We talk like a big family. So this is something that is really amazing.
Others assisted in the setup of cafe near the university and enjoyed connecting with the students through live music, language learning, and games. Working with a local rehabilitation center, Logos Hope volunteers also helped to distribute food and carry out building repair work, while language barriers were overcome through a common love of sport.
The guys at the centre started to become like family to us and vice versa, and being at the church we were able to really connect with the youth and the young people to really have a lot of fun with them, but also sharing God's love, sharing our stories and inspiring them, and in turn them inspiring us. We were really blessed by them and what they had.
We really appreciate your ongoing support as we continue our time in Europe. Please subscribe to our channel and follow our journey in the future ports of call.